When having an event at the Union, more likely than not, you will be using a wireless mic. Now, ideally, the mic will be turned on by the time you enter. But in the case that it's not, there's a small power button at the bottom, the red marking. You press and hold, and a light will show up. Now you're on. But you talk into it, and you're not getting any sound. That's because there is a mute switch right here. You flick up for on, down for off, up for on, and you are getting audio loud and clear. One last piece of advice with the wireless mics is to hold them near the top. If you hold them at the bottom, that is what's transmitting the signal to our receiver, so it can cut in and out at times. But if you hold it up here, you're gonna have no problems with connection. On occasion, you may be using a wired mic, which are much more simpler than the wireless mics. They will already be plugged in and turned on. They just have a mute switch on them, just like the wireless, excuse me. You flip that on, and you are getting audio through the microphone. Thank you for having your event at the Union.